Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Teacher Allison, and today I'm giving you more tips and tricks about organizing your classroom. I've mentioned before, one of my favorite ways to organize are with my magnetic whiteboards. So I wanted to give you a few examples of how you could do anything with them. I'm going to start off with how I deal with my fruits and vegetables. If I have a fruits and vegetables lesson and I know I have so many different props and they might not all be called for the lesson, I take one of my pre-done whiteboards and I just stick it in front of me, and as we go on, I can extend with different items on here, asking the student if they like asparagus and what they would cook with if they had this recipe. So having things all out in front of you has been a game changer. Another way that whiteboards are really efficient in the classroom are for rewards. If you're teaching a body parts um, lesson and you are either doing rewards or actually teaching the lesson, this is laminated with a magnet on it. And then I give the student a choice of all these different things they can use on the reward. So they'll pick a number and we'll go on. We'll talk about eyes. We'll practice the word eyes. Stick straight on. Eyebrows. Ta-da! Ears. And a nose. Oh, and if you flip it over, there's more. We have more extensions for mouths, mustaches, bow ties, earrings. It is so much fun to see them being creative. And we always have a good laugh of what our creations are. But it's so easy then to clean them up. They're just magnets. You stick it back on for your next class or for whatever you have planned. And really, it's the best way to go about using different props. And hair. You can even add hair to your faces. These rewards are endless. I have tons of these to show you. If you'd like to see more, just click like and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for visiting today. Happy teaching, everybody. Goodbye.